So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into this Charles Young order and we're going to take a look at it. Left-hand side, quick jumps. So I'm going to click on internal notes. For example, I can type in an internal note here and share information with other people in the company about this particular order. And I'm going to click on update, and you'll notice that this is now date and timestamp with internal note. Great way for sharing information. Up at the top of the page, we have information about when the order was placed, what the status of the order is, how it was paid for, whether it was completely paid for. You have shipping information as to what they requested. You have the totals of what came in for your costs or what you sold it for and what the shipping price was, etc. You can then go ahead and keep scrolling down and you'll see the products that were sold there. And then you'll see the customer information down here as to where the billing address is and what the shipping address is. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll up here a little bit farther, and we're going to go ahead and ship this product. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Shipment. It's going to pop up a box. We're going to select the carrier that we defined before, stamps.com. I'm going to make a couple changes here. So first of all, I'm going to set this to be a thick envelope. I'm going to change the weight to actually be 2 ounces instead of 2 pounds. That way for this test order, it's fairly inexpensive. I'm going to change the confirmation of delivery. That way it prints out a request for delivery on the label. And I'm going to change this over to be medium mail. You'll notice, by the way, before I did all that, up here it says rates, shipment details, carrier. Anything that's missing is going to show up here. So if you have an address missing or anything missing in here, you'll see the fact that you'll see anything that's missing listed in that section. So once again, I have my USPS medium mail selected, or actually reset. I'm going to go back to thick envelope, and I'm going to select my medium mail. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the create shipment. And you'll see it says that it successfully was able to create the shipment. You'll now see down here any existing shipments, and you'll see I can go to get label and print label. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the print label button, and it's going to pop up a little box that has the information, and I can print this out to my label printer. If I now close out of here and go back into my orders and shipping section, I'll see that this particular order is the status of complete and the shipping status is complete, so I know that I no longer have to process it. In addition, if this order was received from a channel like Amazon or eBay or BigCommerce or something that supports tracking information, the tracking information would have been automatically sent back to that channel. You can also go up here to orders and shipping. You can go to waiting orders to see just orders that are waiting to be shipped out. Packing lists will let you print out packing lists for each of your orders. Pick lists lets you print out a pick list of all of the products that have not yet been picked for orders that have not yet been processed. And also within the orders themselves, if I go into this order once again, down here at the bottom, you have the ability to split this order into multiple orders. So if you have something that's very back ordered, you can split this into a very back ordered or into 2 orders, one being processed today, another one being back ordered. And you can also show an invoice to include within the package. So that's it about orders. And if you have any questions, once again, reply to any of the emails that you've received. Join us for one of our awesome demo webinars where we'll answer any questions that you have. Talk to us in our community. Go to our help desk. Any one of these places, we're available for you to answer any questions that you have. And we hope you're enjoying your use of SureDone and finding value. Thanks so much.